Hi everyone's greeting of the days. Hope you are all doing good. This time I would like to share progress payment of manpower supply for pre-commissioning works in the construction projects in the oil and gas field. So it is common in construction projects when the project is nearing the end or when the project approaching pre-commissioning, the main contractor or client usually asks the contractor for assisting pre-commissioning works to supply manpower for civil, mechanical, steel structures, and piping work, or supply material, consumable, construction equipment, tool, supply of experts, and others. In connection with supply manpower for assisting pre-commissioning mechanical works, this time I will discuss how to devise a complete monthly progress payment for supply manpower work for assisting pre-commissioning mechanical works. This progress template consists of 3 worksheets starting from Daily Manhours Records, where the man-hours are recorded daily, and then summary man-hours and monthly payment. This data is taken from Daily Manhours and then multiply with the unit rate per normal, shift, overtime, and Sunday holiday works. And then the last one is monthly payment certificates. For your information, each section in these templates has been integrated with the formulation therein. So you only need to manually input the start and finish, or in the section with the blue colors here. Yes, you only need to manually input the start and finish man hours. All data will be built in and migrate to each section automatically. Okay, let me discuss it more deeply. Let me back again to Daily Manhours Record. Okay, in this section in Daily Manhours Records, any project name, job number, contractor, period, this is cut off reporting period, and in this table any ordinary number, name, position, period, and then total man hour, rate, and total amount. Okay, this template records man hours for a month depending on the cut off date reporting as your project nature. Okay, as I explained in the earlier, that we only need to input manually the working hour, when start and when finish. Okay. Also, as I explained before, all section and all cells in this Daily Manhours Record tables has been equipped with the formulation therein. So you only need to input manually in the blue colored here. Yes, in the all blue colored here. Okay. Total working hour will be automatically be filled and immediately reduce the break time. Usually 1 hour. For example, the break time here is start from 12 at noon till 13. It's been 1 hour break time. Okay. Furthermore, yes, if the typical work is ST in this section means standard time. Yes, okay. Furthermore, if the typical works is saved, then standard time will be automatically be filled in the shift section. And but if the standard time is normal, not saved, the standard time will be filled in the normal section. Yes, okay. And for overtime hour, outside the standard time, and if it exceeds the first 1 hour's overtime here, okay, the overtime will move to the next section. Yes, okay. Furthermore, for holiday and Sunday, for example, here I type it with red color, means holiday. Yes, for a holiday, for holidays and Sunday, all overtime hours will be filled automatically into this holiday section. Yes, into this holiday section here. Okay, to the holiday section. 1 hour in the section. Okay, 1 hour in this. 7 hours in this section. 1 hour, 1 hour overtime in this section. The rest in this section. The rest in this section. The rest shall be filled in the section. Okay, and so on. The same applies to the other part of this table. Okay. All sections in these tables, except for the standard and for start and finish section, have been integrated with the formula therein. Okay, and total at the bottom here, record standard time for typical normal, excluding standard time for typical shift. Okay. Furthermore, the total on the right show. Okay, the total on the right show. Yes, the total on the right show. Okay, total on the right show. The total number of working hour according to the type in the section starting from shift, okay, shift, normal, yes, shift, normal, okay, shift, normal, overtime and holiday, okay, overtime and holiday. Okay. Next, we move to the summary, manhours, and monthly payment. Okay? The table in this section includes number, yes, number, description, unit rate, quantity for last month, this month, up to this month, amount for last month, this month, up to this month, and any 3 months column. Okay? This section describes a summary of total man-hours, yes, of each employee. Yes, you could check. This is taken from Daily Manhours Record sheet, cell EX22 plus Daily Manhours Record sheet, cell EX34. You could check also the other cell where which has been equipped with the formulation therein. Okay, so this is the total man-hour of employees starting from normal, shift, overtime, Sunday, holiday. Okay, Sunday, holiday. Next, the quantity is the number of man-hour earned. Okay, then there is amount column. Yeah, amount column, which is the amount of progress billing, earned after the number of man-hours. Yeah, number of man-hours earned is multiplied by the unit rate, of normal, shift, overtime, Sunday or holiday. Yes, this is, you can check the formulation inside by double clicking, and you could see where is the cell come from. Okay, so this section, this section will be the section. All cells in this table are equipped with the formulation therein. So the section here will be built automatically from the previous table, and the section below show the total billing progress, billing. This is the below section. Well, the below section shows the total billing progress in the billing period. Okay. This is rounded. This is the total that rounded already. Okay. Then we go to the monthly progress payment certificate. Okay. The monthly progress payment certificate worksheet, which shows the total progress of payment for this month after deducting 10% for payment, 5% for retention, yes, for retention, and added 10% with value-added tax, yes, value-added tax. In the section, any accumulative progress payment up to last month, accumulative progress payment up to this month, progress payment this month, repayment of down payment, 10%, payment of for this month, less for retention, payment to this month, and value-added tax. Okay, value-added tax. This section also shows the progress payment for this month. Yes. After added by 10% with after added with value-added tax 10%. Okay, So it will automatically convert to say yes, because this is equipped with formulation therein also. Yes, okay. Here are my brief explanation related to progress payment for manpower supply for pre-commissioning work. Okay. Hopefully this is useful, making it easier for you to carry out your duties and responsibilities in related field. Okay, especially for billing manpower supply for pre-commissioning work. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video so that my YouTube channel can develop orderly. So I am also excited to share my knowledge and experience in the construction industry in the oil and gas field. So it is so beautiful to support always and share knowledge and experience each other. Thank you very much again for your attention. See you in the next video.